Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praise and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders, apostles of Great Millstone, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. Shalom to the elder bishop, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson on this Monday afternoon, January 17th, 2022. And I'm about to bring this news article right here. And this is, I believe this is like a response tech to what happened earlier of, those Houthi rebels that I did a video on, attacking the area over there of the United Arab Emirates, I believe. The Houthi rebels, which is the Iran-backed group that did that earlier attack on the United Arab area, I believe. And so, the Saudis, they came back with a response attack to that. So this is from rt.com, January 17, 2022. And the highlight of this news article says Saudi jet bombs Yemen after a Abu Dhabi, if I pronounced that right, drone attack. Bombing of Yemen capital is reprisal for drone attacks in the United Arab Emirates, Radaya says. And the Saudi-led coalition has launched an air raid on the Yemen capital and saying it was a response to the early attack by the Iran-backed Houthi terrorists on the Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. Saudi state media announced the raid on Monday event, saying that the coalition Air-15 fighter target and destroyed two ballistic missile launchers allegedly used in the strike against the United Arab Emirates. I meant to say the United Arab Emirates. Continuing on with the news article, and it says Houthi military spokesperson Yahya Sari said on Monday that the military, which controls the Yemen capital and 5 ballistic and winged missiles and a large number of drones to target a number of important and sensitive military sites and facilities, including the airports in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Shari added that the successful operation was a retaliation to the escalations of the U.S. Saudi military aggression, and that the United Arab Emirates will remain an unsafe state as long as its aggressive escalation against Yemen continues. And continue reading on. It says the Emirates authorities said 2 Indian nationals and a Pakistani were killed and 6 more people were injured in the attacks. They have several fuel trucks exploded in the industrial area of Musafa near the Abu Dhabi International Airport, starting a minor fire. It says Saudi Arabia calling the strike a terrorist attack by the terrorist Iran-backed Houthi military. The amount that a war crime against civilians, according to the Brigadier General Tariq al-Makali, the spokesperson of the Saudi-led coalition, restored legitimacy in Yemen. The al-Marakri called the Houthis a terrorist threat undermining regional and international security, whose priorities also threatens trade the freedom of investigation in the Red Sea. The coalition will respond in a matter that achieves collectively security for the interests of the international community. He added. It says the U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan accorded that the Saudis condemning the attack on the United Arab Emirates, saying Washington will work to ensure that oh.
If you like this.
Okay.
It was one cent.
Oh, it was one song. Oh, that ain't bad. Thanks.
You didn't try Jordan? You said they got textbooks or something?
No, just no.
I mean, that's not the textbook. We just want one.
Yeah, just one notebook.